Wow, welcome. Thank you all so much for coming today. I would argue that Vanderbilt is by all measures in the strongest place it's been at any moment in its 146 years. We've taken our place amongst the most highly regarded universities in the nation, whether it's innovation, financial aid, student quality of life. Like all of you, I am devoted to ensuring that Vanderbilt offers excellence in its education and teaching, its scholarship, and its creative expression. There are three guiding principles that I'm going to really be focusing on as Interim Chancellor and Provost, and those are trust, transparency, and teamwork. I am committed to continuing to listen, continuing to learn, and to be an advocate for you, for our students, for our staff, and for our great university.